while you playing it. Like that, you have partners, the man and the leading lady, with Sam Witwicky and Michaela Baines. Oh. With this Captain Lennox, who rides in the motorcycle. Oh. That motorcycle, it's RC, Human Alliance. Can also transform to a robot. We're lucky to have that. It's been a year since I keeping that Human Alliance and toys. I will get the Human Alliance car for you to compare it, so that you know the Human Alliance is very nice. Very nice toy line. Human Alliance, their focus, their toys in scale for the human. At the same time, their focus, their scale in car, so that the car can open the door, you can what you call it, ride. You can ride the human counterpart, like I said. So we're gonna make this for you to see it. We're gonna display this, a Human Alliance car, so that you have an idea how all this scale, all this scale. Yeah, this is it. Don't need to open the other door, so that you can see. Maybe in this scale you can for a while. Yes, this is it. Just so so as you can see, Human Alliance with this the last night Bumblebee. When you transform it into car, it's the same scale as the Human Alliance. Okay. Now you see the scale of Sam Witwicky with this car Human Alliance. At the same time, at the motorcycle of